See, I broke out. You can't defeat me. Oh no, this is bad. Yeah, really bad. Oh, yeah. Listen, you don't ever, and when I say ever, F with me in your life again. Because you won't be able to now. Goodbye. No, please. Dumb idiot. Home, sweet home. They thought they could have got me.
Hey, man.
Oh, hey, Turtle. I didn't even know that you came back.
Yeah, after I saw that they, took you, I was like, and it was on the news, so I was like, I might want to come back home and, see if he got that manpower and if he came back or, is dead. I just wanted to check on you all.
Oh, okay then, I can barely, sometimes hear what you're saying.
Oh, sorry, my voice, yeah. I understand. But, yeah, I came back home.
Well, that's good. Sometimes we all need to come back home.
Turtle,
Very true. Alright. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. And has anyone been to the door?
Well, actually, no.
Okay, see ya. You thought that you was at home, sweet home? Well, I'm gonna teach you that you're not. I invented this robot just for you. He will slaughter your throat. Slice and dice. Charge. Oh no, Turtle, come help. It's a little bit too late for that. Got you where I want you.
Man, wait. No, man. What happened? What did you do to him?
What do you think that I did to him? You might want to go check outside.
No, man.
No. Just gotta add one final touch and all done. All done. Now he will be frozen forever.
No, he won't, you dumb, disgusting, ugly robot. Oh. And I'm gonna kill you. Here.
I'm invincible, baby.